Hey, we have a lot of wind today. It's already out there this morning. I expect some blowing dust and debris, increased pollen problems, and there's already an impressive level of tree pollen out there. It just blows around a little more easily and causes even worse allergy issues when it's windy. And crosswinds while driving may not impact you in your sedan, in your SUV, but as you go by the big rigs, the box trucks, they get pushed around a bit when it is blustery, so watch for that. Today, 35-mile-per-hour gusts. That's as we measure the weather at the airport. The wind coming in from the northwest, so neighborhoods on the north side of the valley, over on the west side of the valley, you'll have even more wind. Friday, 25-mile-per-hour gust. Saturday, here in Las Vegas, some 30-mile-per-hour gusts. Take today, for example, right after the lunch hour, we've got gusts of 40 miles per hour in North Las Vegas, 50 miles per hour down in Laughlin, Overton, toward Lake Mead, 30, 35 miles per hour. Over the hump in Pahrump, some 30-mile-per-hour gusts today. So yeah, windy for all of us. We're all included in the wind advisory, which has been extended from today through Friday through Saturday. A windy stretch ahead of us. We'll go for mid-60s out there today, broaden the view and show you that tomorrow might hit 70 in Laughlin and Overton, but here in the valley, it's going to be another day in the mid-60s. Saturday will be in the upper 60s to near 70. But I think with that wind coming in from the northeast, again through Saturday, it's going to feel cool. Sunday, actually the next decent looking day weather-wise, will be 77 Sunday afternoon. Couple of breezes still linger Sunday, but not as strong. Hey, this is the weekend for the time change. We lose 1 hour. Saturday night sunset will shift later to 7 p.m. starting Sunday. Also, sunrise is pushed back, happens at 7 a.m. as we spring forward this weekend. And spring means wind in Las Vegas. Technically, well, Las Vegas stands for the Meadows, right, guys? Yeah, Justin Hinton, I'm looking at you. I'm looking for confirmation. The Meadows, right?
You're not going to get it from me, sir.
Okay.
Sure, Justin.
Underly knows.
Yeah, sure I do.
Unofficially, Las Vegas stands for the wind, and we'll have it through the weekend.
All right, Justin, thank you.